As the sun start shine and the cock start crow, me a brief we go sit down on the fence next row. Pandians, me no double miss chain, me no touch past Joe, but them always a run me after them fence, you know.
Chain, where me pants there? I want to run them boy. Me just be in defense.
As the sun start shine and the cock start crow, me a brief we go sit down on the fence next row. Pandians, me no double miss chain, me no touch past Joe, but them always a run me after them fence, you know.
I love poor people. You think I joke? I love them dearly to my heart. Serve you right. You think Jah sleep? Jah not sleep at all. Well, somebody didn't tell me they put the post there. Who put the post there? A post is not supposed to go there. I can't believe I've been walking and bucking my head up. You see what we Jamaicans have to deal with? Lady, I know the post. Are you here? You run your foot like how you run the country. And how am I doing that? I'm trying my best with you people. You don't understand the pressure it is of running a country. Bruce Golding had to give up his seat because he was growing grey hair. How shall I tell that? I must know. Make him move a ratted and go froth. That think you can come fool nobody boy I thought. I am not trying to fool anyone, sir. I'm just stating the obvious. I love poor people. Yeah, that's why them are remain poor or poorer. Hold on, let me ask her something. What is this thing about the levy? It is basically a means of tax collection. We have to find some way to collect the tax that are owed to the country. But do it legally, you know? You know, see what you do? Extortion. My son, take time talk. You can't talk them things so loud. Let me come closer so you can properly hear what I'm saying. Yo, explain that one day to me. Because I don't understand what you're talking about. It is quite simple once you understand the terminology of its purpose. Now, you go to the machine to withdraw $1,000. You have to pay $5,000. No, that's not right. How did Dr. Phillips explain it to me? I don't even think he understands it himself. Let's try this again. If you go to withdraw $5,000, then you would pay $1 million. No, that can't be right. Is how it go? Damn thief, the whole of them. The whole of them backside of thief. So you know what, you worry go Bubba. I know how it go already. A 3-time tax a come out of my thing. Pay. When me go to the bank, me have to pay tax. I know when me draw money, me have to pay tax. Alright, cool. See you next time. Hey boy, come off from the fence!